The role of zinc in immune support and wound healing. Hello everyone. Today we're digging into an essential mineral that doesn't always get the spotlight it deserves. This mineral is zinc. Zinc plays a crucial role in keeping our immune system strong and aiding in wound healing, making it a powerhouse for our overall health. So, let's explore why this mighty mineral matters, where to find it, and whether a supplement might be a good choice. Why zinc is important for your health. Zinc is a trace mineral, meaning we only need small amounts daily. Yet, it impacts so many functions in our body, from helping immune cells do their job to maintaining healthy skin and even supporting our sense of taste and smell. Let's break down some of zinc's key roles in the body. A. Immune system booster. Zinc helps our immune cells grow and fight off pathogens, like bacteria and viruses. It's especially important for T cells, which help us fight infections. B. Wound healing support. Zinc plays a role in tissue growth and repair, making it essential for wound healing. Whether it's a scrape or a cut, zinc helps your body recover faster. C. Antioxidant properties. Zinc also has antioxidant effects, which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting cells from damage. D. Enzyme function. It's a cofactor for hundreds of enzymes that support everything from digestion to metabolism. How zinc supports immunity. Our immune system relies on zinc to function at its best. Here's how zinc keeps you feeling your best. 1. Activation of white blood cells. White blood cells are the body's first line of defense against infections. Zinc helps in the production and activation of these cells, ensuring a quick response to pathogens. 2. T-cell production. Zinc is essential for the development and function of T cells, which play a critical role in recognizing and attacking foreign invaders like viruses and bacteria. 3. Cytokine regulation. Cytokines are molecules that help the immune system communicate. Zinc helps regulate cytokine production, reducing the risk of inflammation going overboard. How zinc helps in wound healing. Beyond its immune-boosting properties, zinc is also critical for wound healing. Whether it's a paper cut or a surgical wound, here's how zinc supports the recovery process. 1. Collagen formation. Zinc helps in the formation of collagen, a protein that gives structure to skin and other tissues, speeding up wound closure. 2. Cell division and growth. Zinc promotes cell division, which is vital for skin regeneration and healing. 3. Reduction in inflammation. Zinc's anti-inflammatory properties also help reduce redness and swelling at the wound site, aiding faster recovery. What are the signs of zinc deficiency? Zinc deficiency is uncommon but can lead to several health problems. Here's what to look out for. 1. Frequent infections. Low zinc levels can make you more susceptible to infections, as your immune system might be weaker. 2. Slow healing. If you notice that cuts and scrapes take a long time to heal, you could be low on zinc. 3. Hair loss and skin issues. Dry skin, acne, or hair loss can sometimes be linked to low zinc levels. 4. Loss of taste and smell. Zinc is crucial for taste and smell, so a deficiency might dull these senses. How to get enough zinc in your diet. Most people can get enough zinc from food alone. Here are some great sources to keep your zinc levels up. 1. Red meat and poultry. These are some of the richest sources of zinc, so adding lean cuts to your diet can help. 2. Shellfish. Oysters, crab, and lobster are especially high in zinc, with oysters being one of the top sources. 3. Legumes. Chickpeas, lentils, and beans provide zinc and are excellent options for vegetarians and vegans. 4. Seeds and nuts. Pumpkin seeds, cashews, and almonds offer a decent amount of zinc along with healthy fats. 5. Whole grains. Foods like quinoa, brown rice, and oats contain zinc, though in smaller amounts compared to meat. Tips for maximizing zinc absorption. Sometimes, even if you're eating zinc-rich foods, your body might not absorb it efficiently. Here's how to improve your zinc absorption. 1. Avoid excessive calcium. High levels of calcium can interfere with zinc absorption. Try to balance calcium and zinc intake by spacing out high calcium foods like dairy with zinc-rich meals. 2. Limit alcohol. Alcohol can reduce zinc absorption, so moderate your intake for better mineral uptake. 3. Pair with protein. Protein helps improve zinc absorption, so try to include a protein source with your zinc-rich foods for maximum benefit. Benefits of maintaining healthy zinc levels. Keeping your zinc levels within the recommended range offers numerous health benefits. 1. Stronger immune function, which means better resilience against seasonal illnesses. 2. Zinc helps manage inflammation, which can lead to clearer, healthier skin. 3. Faster recovery from injuries, cuts, and scrapes. 4. Zinc also contributes to brain health, helping with concentration and memory. Zinc is small but mighty, playing a crucial role in immune support, wound healing, and overall health. While most people get enough zinc through food, it's good to keep an eye on your intake, especially during times of stress or illness when your body might need an extra boost. With a balanced diet rich in zinc containing foods like lean meats, seafood, legumes, and nuts, you're well on your way to supporting a resilient immune system and faster wound healing. For more information about losing weight, diet, and health, please see our other videos. Links are provided in the description. If you like our videos, click the like button, and subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive our latest videos on weight loss and health. See you in the next video.